Hi guys, welcome to the channel. What you are looking at now is the all-new third generation of the BMW X6. Now the previous one has been on the market since the end of 2014, so now it's really time for a new one. And as you can see, it does look similar to the other new BMW models, which means huge front kidneys. And look at this time they are illuminated. So tell me in the comments what you think about this. I think it's funny. I don't know whether I like it or not, but it's definitely something new, and well, we must adjust to it. I'm interested to see it on the road actually, but yeah, tell me in the comments what you think about this interesting and weird detail. Next we have the traditional coupe roof line of the car, and at the back the taillights got a new shape. They're now slimmer and slightly wider, and that also makes the car looks wider. I must say this car has more presence than the previous model really, and well, inside there are no big surprises. It looks like the BMW X5, the new one that we saw a few months ago. That's also, of course, a great thing, because the new BMW interiors are, in my opinion, probably one of the best, if not the best in class. Now, under the hood, there are exact engines as on the X5, which means there will be various petrol and diesel options. There's also going to be a X6 M competition, probably more than 600 horsepower, but that will debut next year probably. And if you want to see the full review of this car, I will film it at the Frankfurt Car Show, where it will have its debut for the public. So do subscribe to the channel to see it, and so you don't miss any other car reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.